Welcome to the channel. Imagine an AI tool that builds high-converting emails for you in sales funnels, all while you sleep. Let's jump in. All right, everyone. So if you guessed GetResponse, you are absolutely correct. And why I love this so much is that it makes things simple and easy. Now, they didn't start with AI, they're a newsletter, and they were really good with email marketing. And actually, they're one of my favorite autoresponders. But now they've used the power of AI, and you can send emails, automate marketing, you can do everything right here. All at the touch of AI. So what can you do? Well, you can do everything an autoresponder should. Promote and sell across all channels, so it's going to craft your emails for you. You can create and monetize content. So instead of you saying, well, what converts well? I'm going to do research, I'm going to hire a copywriter, I'm going to do a million things. You can just go ahead and sit there and allow the AI to do it for you. Then it'll build you a sales funnel, get an engaged community, and then you can sell safely. You don't have to figure anything out. The best part is you can maximize your revenue with premium support. So they do give 24/7 support. You can send emails out and also text messages and have a dedicated IP address. That's why this is so powerful. Not only can you create custom emails that will work, send them to a sales funnel, and then convert them, but you can also follow up with them via SMS. And as you can see, Vision says 75% of all public sales come from email autoresponders. So you need a good one. I really like GetResponse. And Red Hot up to $1,000 for every 1,000 emails sent. So it makes sense to do it, and you can get started from $15, yes, just $15 a month for unlimited newsletters, landing pages, all that stuff I talked about, just sending out the right emails to people and the landing pages. Plus the creator thing here gives you up to 500 students so you can keep converting. But how do I know they're reputable? Well, we can see Capterra gave them in 2024, they got an award. They got small business awards right here. Customers love them. As you can see, they even have top blog content. So this is how you can get started, really. And it's not that difficult. All you need to do is go ahead, take a look at this, and book a demo. Let's face it, if you don't have an email list, you do not have a business. A lot of big content creators will say that. Just because you have a lot of followers on YouTube, social media, that's great, but you can lose that one day. You need an email list, but where do you host one? Well, you can do it at GetResponse, and you can book a consultation call right here, get actual customized support, and go through all the different industries that they have, because you'll be able to succeed in all of these if you have the right email list. It's just that simple. So I really like GetResponse. I think it has some of the best stuff, and you can add all the integrations that you want, meaning that you can integrate it with any business tool that you want. Shopify, Microsoft Dynamics, Magneto, Presta, all of these, YouTube, Bing Ads, PayPal, Amazon Payments. So that makes it simple and makes it really simple. So when it comes to building that perfect email list, sending out, and remember, if you don't have a list, you do not have a business. And I will say that again, if you don't have a list, you don't really have a business. You are, as one creator put it, renting somebody else's business. We don't want to rent, we want to own. How do we own? We have to have a list, and then we have to market products to them. How do we do that? Well, we just create customized emails right here. We send them to our custom landing page. The AI does all that for us, and then we convert them. So that's why I really like GetResponse. They've been around for a minute, even before the AI boom, as a reputable newsletter and email autoresponder. And I'd love to know your opinion. What email autoresponder are you using, if any? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching.